हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द मॉर्निंग ट्रेड सेटअप वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं निफ्टी 50 और बैंक निफ्टी के लेवल्स की। फर्दर हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे सम लेटेस्ट न्यूज विच कैन अफेक्ट आवर इंडियन मार्केट टुडे। So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. Talking about the America market today, Dow Jones Index अभी currently 316 पॉइंट्स ऊपर है अपने करंट लेवल से, which is again a very good sign. In the morning when the market opens for the India, we are likely to see a gap up opening or a stable opening. Further, talking about the SGX Nifty, the futures of our Nifty 50 index, we are already up by 27 points. And if we'll check and refresh the same, yeah, it's same only, and there are high chances that we might see a gap up in tomorrow's trading session. अब देखते हैं कि हम Nifty 50 इंडेक्स में आज कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं और क्या लेवल रह सकते हैं Nifty 50 इंडेक्स के। The Nifty 50 index gave a closing at the level of 17,107. अगर हम कल सुबह गैप अप ओपनिंग देते हैं, which means if we give a opening near 17,140, then there are chances that you can see a potential trade above the level of 17,150 with a target of 17,200. Yes, this is the 50 points margin where we can play, as 17,200 पे एक काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस खड़ा है निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स के लिए। अगर कल सुबह मार्केट थोड़ा सा नीचे बंद होता है या थोड़ा सा नीचे खुलता है और similarly we break the level of 17,000, then there are chances that we see a negative trend coming into the market to the level of 19,970 as well. So ये एक ट्रेड रेंज हो सकती है कल के मार्केट के लिए इन दी बैंक निफ्टी इन दी निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स। और अगर हम अब बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो द बैंक निफ्टी शोज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव और अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम इन दी चार्ट। यू विल सी आज जो बैंक निफ्टी है उसने हमारी क्लोजिंग दी है 39,894 के आसपास। अगर कल हम बैंक निफ्टी में ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं तो देयर इज अ ट्रेड विच कम्स अबव द लेवल ऑफ 40,000। कल अगर बैंक निफ्टी 40,000 के ऊपर जाता है और सस्टेन करता है, देन डेफिनेटली वी कैन ट्रेड इनटू बैंक निफ्टी फॉर टारगेट ऑफ 40,300 टू 40,500। फर्दर अगर कल मार्केट का ट्रेंड अच्छा रहता है दिन में, then there are high chances we will soon see a level of 41,000 in the Bank Nifty as well. On the downside, if we talk about Bank Nifty, if we break the level of 39,500, then there are chances that we might fall to the level of 39,300 and further 39,000. But it is not seen possible or not a likely scenario for tomorrow trading session according to the chart. अब हम बात करते हैं कुछ लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ की। There is a big news coming in from the RBI stating that India's GDP is going to remain strong in the financial year of 2023. It's a positive commentary coming from the RBI basically that in the financial year of 2023 we will be seeing a 7% of rise in the GDP, which we recorded as 4.4% in the Q3. So it's a positive sign that RBI believes that we can do better despite the global headwinds, and there are high chances that Nifty 50 can see again a massive uprun from the current level. Now talking about the stock which can be in your radar or which should be in your radar is Tata Motors. Yes, I like this particular stock and I have recently made position in this stock as well. So it's a Nifty 50 Nifty index stocks. You need to understand that it's a big company and they are planning to increase the price of their commercial vehicles up to 5%, which is again going to play a massive role in generating more revenues and similarly can help them in increasing their profits in the coming quarters. So this is one thing which is a positive coming from Tata Motors, and they are planning to increase the prices of their commercial vehicles. So you can keep it in radar. It's a good buy. It is currently bottom out stock as we talk about. And if you want to have a look on the chart, just a minute, I'll give you how it looks on the chart. So yes, you can see the Tata Motors is currently trading at a level of 412, and 400 to 410 is a good support zone for Tata Motors. The blue shade line here, you can see it's a good support zone, and there are chances that it might come to the level of 400 and give again a bounce back, making double bottom. If we find it or if you find it near the level of 400, definitely you can think about buying this particular stock, or you can wait till the level of 420. If it breaks the level of 420 and sustains the level of 420, definitely with a stop loss of 400 rupees, you can enter in this particular trade. Now talking about the ongoing IPO of Uday Shiv Kumar. Yes, I have applied in this particular IPO. I made a detailed analysis on this particular IPO. If you want to see, you can check the USK IPO day 2 review. And I have applied in this particular IPO, and the current grey market premium for this particular IPO, if you'll see, has increased roughly 4 to 5% in a single day. So you need to understand, the more people gonna subscribe this, there are high chances that the demand or the grey market premium of this company is likely going to go up. Today is the last date. If you are interested in applying in this particular IPO, definitely you can have a look on the same. So that's it for today. I hope I was able to give you a good overview what can happen in today's market, and definitely you can look for the levels. So though it is not an investment advice that you should do, definitely do your own research before investing money in these kind of stocks or even trading in the market. This is just my perspective. This is just my research, which I am sharing, and what I'm going to do in the today's market. Thank you.